ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು, ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಲಿ.
Good morning. Today we are on the Great. Probably many of you heard about it. Great is an abbreviation for the Great Indian Trail. Basically, the Great is like a collection of all the back roads, not the main roads, highways, like skipping the highways. So there is a website for it, you can check it out, the greatindiantrail.com. Today we started from Bangalore, me and Shishir. We will be riding towards Ooty, Konur, but we will not be taking the main roads. We will be taking all the back roads, reaching. Even now we have come until Channapatna and then we took the left and then we are now following through this great route. This is the ride I'm doing because there is a long weekend pending, and there is also something special about this ride. Probably I'll tell you in a while. So that kid was asking, so I gave the sticker and he put it on the headlight. Martini. So that's the place where we had our breakfast. That's what we usually do, that we go to places like that. There is that lady, she was running that place in her old age. See, they are not really working to get more money or something like that. They are just working to run their daily business. It's not just for that. You will never get as better taste and as healthy food than what you get in all the posh places. Like, I understand if you are actually with ladies and stuff, then probably you might want to go to such places because the washrooms won't be that clean anywhere else. This is beautiful. The water looks all blue. The color so this place looks nice. Some kind of water body. This is the elephant pocket. This is Santosh place. This is just adjacent to the Bandipur forest. You can see the electric lines they have actually hanging around, just so that I think a wild animal should not cross this side. This is the place we actually came last time to plant the trees. So inside Bandipur forest again. I think this is called Mudumalai from this side. So we are going towards Masinagudi and from then towards the Konur. So the first is Konur. Ooty probably will come tomorrow, I think around, not tomorrow, probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. This might be the one last long ride on the Duke 200 as well, because I'm going to pick up KTM Adventure 390 this week. Fully excited. Thing is that the test ride bikes are still not available, and I didn't want to book the bike before I ride one. There was a guy, one of my friend, Manoj Krishna, so he is actually got it's not delivering anywhere in Bangalore, but they already delivered few bikes in Bangalore. So one of my friend got it there from last weekend and he got it to Bangalore. So 2-3 days back I went to his house. I rode the bike for about like 2 to 3 kilometers. To be honest, I mean, I wasn't impressed. It was the same when I rode the Himalayan as well, but however, considering there is very less option, because I mean, I know Himalayan has like all the features I would want in an adventure bike. You would need more speed on the highways, because a lot of this touring we do highways. I mean, there's like about 60 to 70% of the ride is usually on highways, and that's when you feel like you would need more power. And at the same time, the Dominar has the power, but it doesn't have the adventure posture or the ergonomics of the adventure bike, and also the height wise it's not that. I mean, I was actually looking for a bike with good height, because for me, even if you see me riding on KTM Duke 200, feels like the bike is small and I'm actually very bigger on the bike. And even feels the bike is small, so you don't feel that on the 390. That's what I liked about it. I need to call today to the customer care and book the bike. This bike is still as good as new, if you are riding below 100. Only if you want to like go above 110, then it feels like you have to put too much pressure on the accelerator. But otherwise, this bike is still like responsive as it was back in the days when I bought the bike first time. I think the people who have come to the via Konur, like climb is like super steep, and I was getting low oil pressure on my Duke as well, so I need to top up. I think I should have serviced it. So those of you who don't know, like how many kilometers does the Duke go on reserve? See, I have actually gone up to 63 kilometer on reserve. I just filled up. I think it didn't reset yet, but yeah, you can go up to 63, probably more, around 65. I think I remember doing 65 once. I'm not getting the low oil pressure as of now, so I hope it should be okay. ಅಲ್ಪ ಓ ಶೆಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅವನುಂಡು ಇದು ತುಲ ಶೆಟ್ ಫಕ್ దాదా రప్ప పతం పోయా ఉంది ಊಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡಪ್ಪನ ಅಡ್ಡ ಅದಾ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಡು ಅವು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಅವನುಂಡು ರಪ್ಪ పోయి ಊಟಿಗೆ ಪಾಡ್ಗೋ ಅಲ್ಪ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ KTM ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾಗ ಪೋಲೇತ ಊಟಿ KTM ಪಾಡ KTM ఉండత 2 wheeler 14 kilometer ಇತ್ತ ಉಂಟುಂಡು ಊರೊಂದುಂಡು ಆನ್ ದ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇತ್ತನ ಒಂದು ಪಾಡ್ಪಾಗ ತಿಕ್ಕಿನ ಅಂದಕ್ಕೆ హలో KTM ఓపెన్ ఇరుకా సర్వీస్ సెంటర్ ఇంజిన్ కవర్ అది కొంచెం ఆయిల్ లీక్ అవుతుంది నన్ను కొంచెం 10 kilometer ఉంది విల్ కమ్
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪಾಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪಾಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಜಲಚೂರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ಲ
Also in the ride, I'm also booking my KTM 390. I just sent booking amount to Santosh. Almost decided, so they said that bike will be available within a week, most probably. Booking the white one. I think if I had gone for orange, then it's already available, it seems. But I want the white.
Astral 1 liter downdu 20W50 mileage 10W50
Sir mileage. Hello. We are looking for a stay near Kodanad. So we want to check if there is available rooms.
At present there is no vacancy. The painting work is going on.
Oh, is it? Okay. All right. Thank you. We witnessed a beautiful sunset, nice weather, and I booked my Adventure 390. I just transferred the booking amount. Going to be the proud owner of Adventure 390 soon. I booked the white because I didn't like the orange. The Duke also, when I had to select, I selected the black. It's funny though, like when my brother was fully disappointed when he saw the black. He was like, why this doesn't look good, KTM should be orange. So we spoke to a homestay guy. I mean, it's a camp stay. Price is reasonable, around 700 or 800 per person. So we'll be going there now. I put the maps. Ride is actually also special. I told earlier that the ride is special. This ride is special because the Duke will be completing its 1 lakh kilometers. It was short of 1500, so I'm guessing it will complete in this ride. This is really a special bike. This is not built for the off-roads or any of that, but it has withstand a number of those rides I did without any complaint. It hasn't even broken down once. I never had to cancel my ride except for the one time, but I wouldn't blame it because it was after the bore. So okay, that's it guys. See you in the next video. If you like it, yeah, please do share and invite your friends to subscribe as well. Hey, we have a company. Oh, this is the dog Abhijit was saying. Hey. Hey. What a welcome.
Oh,
Hmm.
oh,